If blue sounds like this, what do you think purple is gonna sound like? Let's find out. Purple is more like you're in a calm situation but something is about to be wrong, sort of a color. Ki something is wrong because it has a bit of red mixed into it. That's why I've added some distorted elements. And I think I'm pretty happy with the results. And I made purple because of this comment. If you have any other suggestions, then let me know, and here is the full sound.